Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add bio on Discord. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Discord application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Discord login ID and password. At the very first page of Discord, you tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. On the user settings, you tap on user profile. Here you can see the About Me text field. Now you go in for writing your bio, or you can edit or change the bio if you have updated it previously. After you are done writing bio, you need to save it. For that, you tap on the save icon on bottom of right corner. Here my bio has been updated, that is my bio has been added to my profile. This is how you can add bio on Discord. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to add bio on Discord. Thank you.